Formaloo?
Form builder called Formaloo. It seems they are offering a solution to a massive problem.
So now it begs the question, what do I think about Formaloo?
So I like that we have a visual way.
And there you go, that is it for the Formaloo software review.
And also you can connect multiple forms together.
I think Formaloo is deceptively simple.
De una herramienta
Formaloo review
called Formaloo.
This tool is called Formaloo.
How easy it was to set up.
Formaloo is in fact pretty simple.
Today, Formaloo is used by thousands of businesses in 30 plus countries, from startups to Fortune 500 companies.